It's Miss Jill from the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. I would like to share with you today how to make French toast in a mug. So before we get started, make sure you get permission from an adult in your home that you can work in the kitchen, and wash your hands really well, and then we will get started. You will first need, of course, 2 mugs this time. I suggest that you use more of a soup mug than a coffee mug, because you're going to need space with the bread inside the mug. So you'll need 2 slices of bread, and you'll need to cut them into cubes. It's whatever bread is your favorite, or whatever bread you have around the house on your counter. You'll need 1 egg, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And we need to either take some butter or some spray and put it in our mug. It just helps with cleanup, and then it doesn't all stick to the side. So we'll take our cubes after we spray our mug and put them in the mug. Very gently, making sure they get in the mug and not all over the counter. And then you'll take your egg, crack it. I always like to crack it in something else. That way, if we get any shells where they're not supposed to go, we can get them out. You'll put that in the second mug. And then 1/4 cup of milk. And then take a fork or whisk and whisk it till it's mixed and the egg's all broken up. Then you'll add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then you will mix the cinnamon and the vanilla into the egg and milk mixture. And mix it until the cinnamon is all combined in there. And then you will take and pour it over your cubes of bread. You'll take your fork and then you will toss the egg mixture with the bread cubes until all the bread cubes are nice and wet. And then you will take and put this in the microwave for, I suggest, 1 minute. And you're going to want to watch it because it's really cool, because the bread puffs up and it looks like it's going to spill over, but it never really does, as long as your mug's big enough. And then look and see if the egg is set and not runny. And if it is set up, then it's good to eat. If not, put it in for 1 more minute. So probably 1.5 to 2 minutes. And then you pull it out of the microwave. I like to put maple syrup on mine. Drizzle some maple syrup on top. And if you like butter, you can put a pat of butter. And then give it a try.